News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today, we will be discussing about vacancies in Sainik School, Chingchip, Mizoram, Central University of Haryana, Supreme Court of India, Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad, Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, Ministry of Power, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal, Central University of Odisha, Institute of Digital Education and Employment Development, and Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Sainik School, Chingchip is a co-educational residential English medium school imparting public school education with a military bias. The school was established on 21st April 2017 with primary aim to prepare young boys academically, physically and mentally fit for entry into the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy. Sainik School, Chingchip, Mizoram invites applications for the following post: 1 vacancy of TGT and 1 vacancy of counsellor. Application forms can be downloaded from school website sschingchip.mizoram.gov.in. Last date for receipt of application is 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Central University of Haryana invites applications on the prescribed application form available on university website from eligible candidates for appointment to the following post on regular basis: 1 post of registrar and 1 post of finance officer. Application form along with self-attested copies of all required documents must reach the university office latest by 3rd March 2021, 5 p.m. preferably by registered post or speed post. Application received after due date shall not be considered and will be summarily rejected. For details, please visit website of the university www.cuh.ac.in. Supreme Court of India invites applications from Indian citizens who fulfill the qualifications and eligibility condition for selection for appointment to 1 post of additional registrar computer. Details of scheme of examination and general instructions prescribed for the said post can be downloaded from Supreme Court website www.sci.gov.in. Last date for submission of applications is 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement. Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad invites online applications from eligible and well-qualified Indian nationals for different project positions for engagement in various funded R&D projects from time to time. Further detailed instructions, online application form and project-specific requirements, etc. are available on Institute website iitd.ac.in/project vacancies. Appellate Tribunal for Electricity, Ministry of Power was set up at New Delhi by Government of India under the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003. The tribunal consists of chairperson, 1 judicial member, and 3 technical members, including 1 technical member appointed under the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board Act 2006. The post of chairperson in the tribunal will become vacant on 13th August 2021. It is proposed to fill up the anticipated vacancy. Applications are invited in the pro forma given from suitable persons having qualification and experience as prescribed tribunal, appellate tribunal and other authorities, qualification, experience and other conditions of service of members, Rules 2020, read with Honorable Supreme Court Judgment dated 27th November 2020 for appointment as Chairperson of Appellate Tribunal for Electricity so as to reach the Ministry of Power latest by 19th March 2021. Application must also be emailed at debranjan.chattopadhyay@nic.in. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal, is a premier institute of national importance established by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India under Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana with the aim of correcting regional imbalances in quality tertiary level healthcare in the country and attaining self-sufficiency in graduate and postgraduate medical education and training. Director AIIMS Bhopal invites applications in the prescribed proforma from eligible officers of central or state government or UT or autonomous bodies or universities or public sector undertaking or R&D organization or police departments of central or state or UT for filling up of one Group A post of medical superintendent on deputation basis including short-term contract. Interested candidates are informed to visit AIIMS Bhopal official website www.aimsbhopal.edu.in for more information regarding required qualification, experience, eligibility criteria, last date for submission of applications and general terms and conditions, etc. related to the above post. Applications are invited in the prescribed application format from eligible Indian citizens for filling in the following non-teaching positions. Group A in Central University of Odisha, Deputy Registrar on Direct Recruitment, Deputy Librarian on Direct Recruitment, and Internal Audit Officer on deputation basis. Candidates are required to send their applications with all testimonials by speed post or registered post to reach the concerned authority on or before 24th February 2021. For further details, please log on to the website www.cuo.ac.in. Any addendum or corrigendum and further information shall be posted only on the university website. Institute of Digital Education and Employment Development, Bagri District, Tonk, Rajasthan is registered under NPTEL. In the advertisement of the institute published in Employment News dated 30th January 2021 for recruitment, it has been erroneously mentioned that the institute is registered under Apprenticeship Act 1961. Doubts have been cast on the authenticity of the social media by some unscrupulous elements. The institute has filed an FIR against them and has also requested Twitter management to block this account. It has clarified that candidates applying through Apprenticeship Portal and NCS Portal will not be charged any fee. For candidates who have already remitted the fees, the same shall be promptly reimbursed. The classification of 433 posts in the advertisement has been changed. The new classification of the post will be released after last date. For any clarification, please contact In Charge Recruitment Division DSRVS at 9509517638. You can email at recruitment@dsrvsindia.ac.in. Last date for receipt of applications for 13 posts of Deputy Director of Training, Women Cadre on deputation basis under Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, whose advertisement was advertised or published in Employment News dated 17th October 2020, stands exempted. Applications for this post, complete in all respects, can be sent within 15 days from the date of publication of this notice in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Full details of the vacancy are also available on this department's website www.dgt.gov.in. Candidates who have already applied should submit remaining documents, if any, within the extended time. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.